One number midi juruno. This is water. All this is here. This is my kitchen. This is my gas cookers. You see it everywhere. Water everywhere. See my boys room. Everywhere water. You see it. You see here they hang the bed. Here they hang the bed. Only this my room water never enter. And this my room. I just come out everything outside there. I can't hang it for here. You see my parlor, the place I always like to stay to do some videos. So you see, not here. You see my boys, their bags. Now here I hang it so that the water is too much. It's too much. It's too much. This one is a very mighty heavy rainfall. So the team, even the crowd self never clear. It want to learn another one. It want to learn another one. Imagine you live inside water because this our environment. Let me show you outside. This our environment is a swamp area. So the landlord built a house in swampy area. So let me, you see it here. You see how they are flood. You see how they, because if I dey talk, I dey like to match showcase it how it be. So me no be say na just a Photoshop or video shop. Shall we see it? So I want to go. You see how the water enter. You see that everybody. You see that everybody. Everybody is. Who tell you? My house. Go by this thing there. Not in the parlor. You see how people. I just this is. So you see how it is. If you hey, my leg. So I want to showcase you. I, will, I just want to showcase you. You see it. You see how the environment is. So I'm calling the state governor to come and look into this matter. All drainage are full of waters. So please, when you come across this video, endeavor to share it. So I want to go and do some work inside my house to know how I feel come out all these waters. So remember that my name is Maazi-UC. Follow me on my Facebook page and subscribe on my YouTube page. My name, na me be Maazi-UC. Don't forget, we cannot relent, either can we surrender. The best is yet to come. Ndebai, Ndewon.